Hi, is your website acting like a clumsy sidekick, letting customers slip away? I'm Dennis, a software engineer who's here uh, to make it a superhero instead. So your site should be your best salesperson. It should be grabbing visitors, winning sales, and making you look awesome. But if it's slow, confusing users, or just not you, it's costing you money. A HubSpot study says 55% of people ditch a site in 15 seconds if it doesn't click. So maybe your site is not turning visitors into customers, or it's stressing you out. I get it. Running a business is hard enough. That's why I build websites that are fast, easy to use, and totally you. No headache, no jargon. Here is the deal. I start by chatting with you to get your clear vision, what your business all about, what do your customers need. Then I focus on the must-haves like speed, clear buttons, Google-friendly tricks, just to boost sales. A 2024 study says that a solid basics can double your conversion. How cool is that? For example, I might build a button that screams buy now, it to make sales a breeze. Want to see it in action? Here is the code that powers this magic. A simple button that pops and pulls customers in. It's like giving your website a superpower, turning clicks into cash without chaos. And they keep it stress free, working with you every step of the way to fit your budget and goals. Are you ready to make your websites a customer winning hero? DM for a quote and we'll turn your site into a star that grows your business. No stress, just success. What's the one thing you want your website to do better? Tell me and let's make it happen. Have a good day and take care. Thanks.